Pressure on my hips and it's real tight. I can't. It hurts.
Yeah, I know it's going to be tender. So I'm feeling for movement. The joints are supposed to have movement. Whenever they're stuck, it's going to cause inflammation. It's going to cause the muscles around it to guard and protect you. It's going to cause you to be sore when I press, okay? Try to get some. I got you. You okay? This tender? Oh my gosh. Let me know if it's too much though before I do the job. Too much?
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, you're not going to like this. You're going to do the massage going through the glute muscles, okay? Because something needs to be loosened up since we can't do this adjustment. It's all right. You got some real work to do. You need to find out at school too. Okay. So good. Yeah. That was a good one. See, so you like this up here, down low is tender. Super nervous. How did it go?
It was rocky, but I feel better. Yeah.
Okay.
But you did good. I like it.
All right.